Hey everyone, this is Jeff Jones from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the skip function on your Formuler devices so you can stay ahead of the game. Okay, guys, I am back. Once again, thank you. If you're on the Stream Machines YouTube channel, maybe you're on our Rumble channel. We're also on Odyssey. This video will be on those desired platforms as well. So if you peruse those things, we'd be happy if you join our team, or just tell us what you think or what you want to look at or see. Put those things in the comments below. Right now, we're just going to take a look at how you can use the skip function on your Formuler device so you can stay ahead of the game. Now, I really love these devices. It's not a secret. The majority of my videos are about them because I believe they're one of the best, if not the best, media devices out there, because they give you so much to do and use at a great, phenomenal price. So let's jump into the second part of this video, or the next part of this video, and show you the skip function. All right, we are here and on a live TV channel, and what you can see is I'm going to blur this out or pixelate this. And on every live TV channel, there's another set of options below on your live TV channel, and it comes into play when you press the menu button like this. When I press the menu button below, you'll see where it says actions, and I push down on the directional pad. There's where you have the channels that are on it. You have the EPG, okay? You'll have the history, which is awesome. It'll show you what you've been watching. You'll have the settings, the search, the lock, the favorite, the record, and if you have a little running man there, you can hit the skip ahead. So let's just say you feel like this is behind a little bit. All you would do is click the running man and it will go ahead to the stream so it catches up. And then from there, you should be good to go. But that's one of the best functions about it. And a lot of people don't really realize what's below the screen, and it's good for you to know how to skip ahead. And that'll close out this really short video. I just wanted to show you a little bit about the skip ahead feature, and even whether you knew there was another section on the device that is extremely below and you can access that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the home button, and then I'm going to invite you to go ahead, take a look at some of these shorter videos, see if they work for you. If they don't, you can always give us a call or text us, and someone will at least answer your questions. Now, let me say this, we'll answer basic questions, but if you want the VIP treatment or the VIP support, that's what we offer on our website, you're going to have to be a customer of ours, and I'm getting a lot of great calls, and I appreciate it. I'm going to close out the video, and if you have any questions or you want to know about maybe the one and done device or whatever we can do for you, just hit us up and we'll give you some of the best options available. And we just want to let you know we're here for you, and don't keep us a secret. Take care.